Joe, did we go to the moon?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
I don't think so. It makes you sound fucking completely insane to say it, but
I lost a lot of friends when I was younger when I started talking like that.
I did too. I gained a lot of friends too, though. I gained a lot of listen, man, I've talked to scientists that don't want to talk about it publicly.
Yeah.
Scientists.
Well, see, you know what I figured? I figured that would be the one time in the history of civilization that human beings got to a new place and said, nah, I'm good, and turned around. And
Exactly.
I don't want to look around there anymore.
Well, Bart Sabrell, he's this researcher that's been doing these documentaries on the moon landing, and he's been saying it's fake since, like, I met him sometime in the early 2000s, I believe, and he put out this documentary called A Funny Thing Happened on the Way to the Moon, and he's got a great quote, and he says, there's not a single thing that's not easier, faster, and cheaper to reproduce today from 1969 except the moon landing.